O sige, the first thing that you would do when you are identifying the parts of the cerebrum, you would identify its laterality, whether it's right or left. So how will you know if it's right or left? You will look for your frontal and your occipital lobes. So this is your
Sylvian fissure.
oh yeah, also your Sylvian fissure. Your Sylvian fissure opens to the anterior part of your
Competitive. Sorry, Ray.
sige. Your Sylvian fissure opens to your anterior part of your head. So this is your anterior, this is your posterior. So its orientation is like this. So this is your right hemisphere. So going back to your lateral side, you have your four lobes. Four lobes of your brain. You have your frontal. Oops, sorry. Occipital, parietal, and temporal. Pwede ba yung isang gamitin ko?
Sige lang.
Nahirapan ako. Sige. Kasi may nakapin eh. So yan. What side is this? This is your right hemisphere.
Hindi ko yun.
So, anong mahalaga? The first thing that you would do, you would identify which hemisphere is it. Next, you would identify the lobes. What will help you identify the lobes? You look for the
Central.
The central
Central or Rolando?
or Rolando's fissure, sulcus, and your Sylvian
Sylvian fissure.
fissure.
Si lateral sulcus.
Oh.
Easy muna. Okay na.
Bakit? Oh, sige. So, this is your central sulcus. Central ito.
Or anong other name niya?
Or Rolando's. Ano ko fissure yun eh? Pag Rolando.
Kasi yung isa Sylvian fissure, tas lateral.
Your central or your Rolando divides your brain into frontal lobe and parietal lobe. While your Sylvian divides your frontal and your temporal. So now we would go to your specific. Ipipin natin. This is your Rolando's fissure or your central sulcus. Alam ko fissure yun. And this is your Sylvian fissure. So, ipipin ko yung lobes mo. This is your frontal lobe, parietal lobe, your occipital lobe, and your temporal lobe. Unahin natin sa ano, di ba? This is your central sulcus or Rolando. You have your pre-central sulcus and your gyrus and post-central gyrus. So, kung yan yung gyri mo, ito, this is your pre-central sulcus and your post-central sulcus. Diba, ipipin ko, sige, dito lang siya. Frontal lobe is divided into 3 gyri. You have your superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, middle ito, and then your inferior frontal gyrus. Anong nagde-divide sa kanila?
Inferior.
Oo. Ito, inferior frontal gyrus, middle, superior. Ano nagde-divide sa kanya? Yung mga sulcay mo. You have your superior frontal sulcus and your inferior frontal sulcus. Yeah, yung ano mo, yung ano to? Inferior frontal gyrus mo divided into 3. Ang susundan mo, etong si pre-central gyrus. So, ito, first part mo is your pars opercularis.
Pars opercularis.
Oo. Next one, may pa-triangle dito. This is your pars triangularis. O sige, yung pink na siya, pars triangularis. And this one, in front, this is your pars orbitalis.
Orbitalis. Triangularis.
Opercularis.
Ano?
Opercularis. Triangularis, diba ito?
Triangularis.
Continuation siya pag ano.
Opercularis continuation, tapos triangularis orbitalis.
Oo, okay na ba tayo? Now we go to your temporal lobe. Temporal lobe, the same as your frontal, divided into 3 gyri, 2 sulci. Hindi ko na siya tatanggal. Sige. This is your superior temporal gyrus. The blue one is your middle temporal gyrus and inferior temporal gyrus. Now you have 2 sulci. You have your superior temporal sulci and your inferior temporal sulci. Now let's go to your occipital. Sorry. Dito tayo sa likod. Oops. Pumasok siya. Ayan. Ito yung ano mo, no?
Central sulcus.
Central. Ito yung post-central sulcus.
Kasi yung pre-central.
Sa harap niya.
Itong orange.
Oo. So,
Gyrus to.
Ito gyrus, ito sulcus. Post-central gyrus.
okay, wait. Let's finish it first. So, let's go to your parietal lobe. Patingin. Drawing ni Doc. Okay. So, if you follow your, what's this?
Central sulcus
or Rolando's fissure, magkakaroon siya ng parang ano dito. Parang, what's it? Continuation. So, that is your supramarginal gyrus somewhere here. This is your supramarginal gyrus. Double check nyo, baka mali ako. Behind it in your occipital lobe is your angular gyrus.
Angular gyrus.
Oo. Ito supramarginal. Di ko alam kung sulcus o gyrus to. Ano ko sulcus to? Sorry. Supramarginal sulcus ito. Di ba pa ganyan?
Supramarginal sulcus.
And your angular gyrus.
Angular gyrus.
So basically, those are the parts of your lateral side of your cerebrum. Oh, tinanggal ko na ibang
Supramarginal gyrus. Sulcus, supramarginal sulcus.
Supramarginal sulcus.
Tapos
Tapos angularis gyrus.
Angularis.
So the first thing that you would do, you would identify which hemisphere is this. So what is your clue? Your clue is your what's this? Your temporal lobe. Yung parang opening dito sa part na to, it's always directed to your anterior side. So in this case, this is your anterior, this is your posterior. So orientation, it's like this in the actual way. Anyway, this is your, where is your central? This is your central. So this is your frontal, parietal, occipital. Your temporal is cannot be seen here. So the most prominent part of your cerebrum here is your corpus callosum. It connects your hemispheres. Your corpus callosum connects your hemisphere. So what are the parts of your corpus callosum? First, you have your this one, yung parang rostrum. Next is your, ano yung kay rostrum? Genu. Yeah, genu. And then this one is your body. And the most posterior part is your splenius. This is your corpus splenium.
Splenium? Genu, splenium. Ano to?
Rostrum.
Rostrum.
Next, look at the depression above is your colossal sulcus. Above your corpus callosum is a gyrus, is your cingulate gyrus. And the depression above your cingulate gyrus is your cingulate sulcus. Now let's look at your this one, the triangular area here, that is your septum pellucidum.
Lateral ventricle.
Your lateral ventricle is located inside your septum pellucidum. Your septum pellucidum separates your left and right lateral ventricles. Now, let's start below. This is your uncus. Yan yung sinasabi ni Dr. Machos na fifth lobe of your cerebrum. Uncus. This is your uncus. Towards here, this is your lingual gyrus. So, lingual gyrus, what connects your uncus and your lingual gyrus is your parahippocampal gyrus. Oh, sorry, ibang color na. Parahippocampal gyrus. So, if this is your lingual gyrus, this is your
Cuneus.
Cuneus, and this is your precuneus.
Yung precuneus part ng parietal.
Precuneus is part of parietal. So, if this is your parietal, this is your occipital, this is your parieto-occipital sulcus. And
Ako nga para to eh.
what separates your lingual gyrus and your cuneus is your calcarine sulcus. Now, nakalimutan ko na to. Precuneus, and this is your...
Drop box mo.
Pati nga ng likod, may drawing ba siya dyan? Kabilang side. Wala. Ano na ba yun nandito? Marginal sulcus. I'm not sure where it is. I think this is the marginal sulcus.
Continuation ba ng
Cingulate sulcus.
cingulate gyrus? Ay,
Yeah. Continuation of your cingulate gyrus is your marginal sulcus.
Cingulate gyrus.
Oh, sa lateral side.
Para saan daw, diba?
Hindi ko sure eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Sorry. I forgot.
Kasi ito yung central, so para central siya. Marginal.
Saan siya?
After siya ng pre-central gyrus. Paano paharap?